This is a video demonstrating the 6 areas and processes in developing Prenumber. So I'm going to use these attribute blocks in front of me to demonstrate these areas. So the first one is determining attributes, and you can do this through identifying aspects such as colour, shape, and the thickness of shapes. So here we have colours. We have the blue colour, we have red, and we also have yellow. And with the size, we have thick shapes, and then we also have the thin shapes in front. And then we can also identify them through shape in general. So we have the circles, squares, and also the triangles. So once the children are able to do this, then they can move on to the next stage, which is matching attributes. So to match attributes according to size, shape, and colour and thickness can be done through the first area. So we can do that by, so I'm going to match these by shape. So I can put all the circles over here, all the triangles on this side, and all the squares in the middle. And another way you can do this is by colour. So you can put all the red together, the yellow together, and then all the blue shapes together. So once the children can then match the shapes, they can then sort by attribute, which is the third area. When sorting, they can use the 3 Ds of sorting, which is decide how they're going to sort their blocks, then do the sort, and then describe how they've done it. So for example, they can decide they're going to sort by shape. So I'm going to sort in triangles over here, circles in here, and then squares over this side. And then then you do the sort, which is what I've just done, and then you describe it. So I can say that I have done the sort into shape by putting triangles on this side, circles on this side, and squares on this side. And then once they can sort the blocks, then they're able to compare the blocks by attribute, which can be done through comparing size. So we can say this square is a thin square and this square is a thick square. After these steps, ordering can then be introduced, which can be done in terms of height and size. So you can pile 3 circles high, or we can have 2 triangles high, and then we're able to compare these piles by saying there's 3 in this one and 2 in this one. And then after this area, children have started to gain conceptual understanding of all the pre-stages of patterning. So then patterning can be introduced as a concept through using the attribute blocks as well. So we can set up a pattern such as square, circle, triangle, and then we can continue that pattern by putting another square, another circle, and then another triangle. Or we can pattern by colour. We can go red, yellow, blue, which can then be continued as red, yellow, and then blue. Thank you.